Hello, you're watching the DP Labs channel. And today we're going to be testing a frequency converter on our heat pump for demonstration purposes. Evgeny has joined us today.
As Pavel mentioned, we're currently testing a new frequency converter for the heat pump. Our heat pump is quite different from those found in refrigerators that use synchronous motors. Instead, ours uses a brushless DC motor, so it requires a more advanced and sophisticated control unit. That's exactly what we're testing right now. For now, we've connected it temporarily like this. Pavel just recently updated the software for the entire system that controls the heat pump, so that we could easily interface and communicate with it. And now everything is working. The compressor is running, heat is being generated, and the connection is now established. All the necessary parameters are displayed on the screen.
This is quite frankly entirely, let's put it this way, a DP Labs development, and it is completely ours, except probably for the compressor. It is our own design, our printed circuit board, our display, our software, and our frequency converter. The main feature, everything is our own, a fully in-house development. I was responsible for the touchscreen panel interface, and actually I also wrote the software for the heat pump. It can heat the heating water tank, and it can heat domestic hot water as well. You can also configure the network if necessary. We have specialized software available for remote access, standard settings for the frequency converter, weather-related functions, phase meter functions, and comprehensive heat pump diagnostics. A sensor for Zigbee was also planned, but it unfortunately didn't make it to mass production, so to speak. At the moment, this particular heat pump is, so to speak, the older brother of the one that will soon be produced at the plant in Dobrograd. There, at that facility, the next generation will be produced, a newer, more advanced and more modern model, which, as I understand it, we will be exporting.
Stay tuned to our channel to see how the project continues to develop. I think it's going to be really very interesting. So be sure to subscribe and give us a like.